We're excited you chose Gwinnett Tech for your preparation to work in the healthcare field. The Healthcare Enrollment Advising Team wants to provide you with some additional information about how our healthcare programs are structured so you know how to be prepared for the competitive application process. We're going to cover our pathway programs and the competitive healthcare requirements chart in this video. All applied health and nursing science programs at Gwinnett Tech require that you complete prerequisite coursework prior to the application process for a specific healthcare program. Our pathway programs are designed to help you complete the prerequisite coursework required for your intended healthcare program. While in your pathway program, you will be able to complete all necessary prerequisite classes as well as any required testing for your intended healthcare major. At the end of the pathway, you will complete the competitive application for your program or programs of choice. Transfer students with credits from other institutions will also be placed into a pathway program as you complete the competitive application process. You may be wondering why your major is listed as Interdisciplinary Studies. All students who indicate they are interested in one of our competitive programs are placed in an interdisciplinary studies concentration associated with your program area of interest. On the screen is a list of the concentrations and the corresponding pathway programs. Your program fact sheet found on the Gwinnett Tech website also includes this information and more. Similar to interdisciplinary studies, our healthcare assistant major has 2 concentrations for our pathway programs to dental and medical assisting. Our pathway programs are necessary to assist students in achieving their academic and career goals. In order to qualify for state or federal aid, students must be in an approved major. Our pathway programs meet the requirements to be able to provide financial aid to qualified students. At Gwinnett Tech, students are restricted to register for courses in their major. Our pathway programs are designed so that you can access all prerequisite coursework. The General Studies major does not qualify for financial aid or provide access to all of the required coursework. If you are in the General Studies program right now and are interested in one of our healthcare programs, please contact the Healthcare Enrollment Advising Team for assistance. In order to assist students, our enrollment advisors have made a chart that outlines prerequisite coursework, testing requirements, and application deadlines for our pathway programs. We are going to go through the competitive healthcare chart together so you can become familiar with this resource. The chart is updated every year, so please make sure you get a copy every semester while you are working toward your program of choice. The chart includes information about all of the pathway programs. We're going to go over the chart in some more detail so you can be familiar with the information on the chart. First, you will want to locate your pathway program/target program combination. All prerequisite coursework will be outlined in the first row under your program. There are checkboxes that you can use to keep track of your progress. The second row includes the application deadline, prerequisite deadlines, program length and hours, and the class size accepted each year. The last box on the right includes the minimum application GPA and testing requirements. All of our pathway programs are freestanding programs that lead to a degree or certificate. When you reviewed your degree works, you will see all of the courses associated with your pathway program. However, you do not need to complete all pathway program courses prior to applying to your target healthcare program. Review the competitive healthcare chart for your prerequisite courses. Your program advising sheet may also have the prerequisite courses listed. Focus on completing your required prerequisite courses successfully so you can apply to your target program. Some students may want to complete additional coursework as preparation for future academic goals. Review the information on your program fact sheet, the competitive healthcare chart, and any advising handouts provided. Our enrollment advising teams are here to help you succeed. Reach out to your enrollment advising team for more information on competitive healthcare applications, course planning, admission questions, developmental course sequencing, changing your major, things to consider when withdrawing from a course, academic success strategies, and financial aid questions. We know you have questions. If you cannot find the answer in the resources provided, please reach out to the Healthcare Enrollment Advising Team for more information.